have some really exciting news for you, and what I want to tell you is that I have launched my Patreon page, and my Patreon page, I did it so that you guys could get early access to my new
Only $1 a month.
You can have access to all my upcoming videos, and they're full videos. Some are an hour, some are 2 hours, and ad-free, and I have the patterns here for you, and I have a lot of other perks too. So I'll leave the link to my Patreon page down below, and then you can go in and visit my page, become my Patreon, and then you'll have access to all my paintings.